After a super intense hunt on Lake Kariba, it's time to do a Southern Asian-inspired dish from my crocodile tail. It's really important that you have a sharp knife. This crocodile flesh isn't exactly the softest. So after you've cut your fillet, now it's time to get it in nice little slithers for the wok. You just basically want nice little edible pieces. They're really gonna soak in that marinade beautifully. So once you've carved up this fillet, what you want to do is start seasoning the meat. I'm going to get some salt. This is Himalayan salt. Then you're going to get some pepper. Bit of chili flake. Some cumin. These are really, really iconic flavors of Southeast Asia. And I got a lot of these ingredients from my travels through that area many times. So once you've done that, we're gonna get some of these beautiful marinade ingredients ready to go. So I've got garlic here, got ginger, got chili, got eshallot, and a bit of lime. You can see these garlics that I got here from Africa. They're very small, and there's very good reason for that. It's because they're the real deal. They're organic. That's the way food should be. Okay, so now we're gonna get to the fire. While that's heating up, I'm going to do a beautiful marinade. It's more like a dressing, actually, that's going to go on top and finish this dish. And you're going to add rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, pretty much a staple sauce of any Asian cuisine all around the world. Then we're going to add some chili paste in there, just to give it that extra dimension of heat. And then we're going to put a little bit of lemon or lime zest, give that a bit of a stir. Look at that, beautiful. The aromas coming out of this are sensational. Now that your crocodile Asian style dressing is done, you put that to the side and we get cooking with the actual tail. So I'm just putting this grill over the fire. It was given to me one of these village people, and it's actually quite handy for what I'm doing. The wok will sit perfectly inside that metal grill. And it's super important that this gets really, really hot, okay? You want this to cook quickly. Secret ingredient, sesame oil. Sesame oil has quite a high smoke point, so you will get a lot of good heat out of it. But I just love the flavor. So on goes the crocodile tail. There is some unbelievable smells coming out of this wok right now. They're really well seasoned. You can see that this protein is really taking up all these flavors right now. And that's what you want. So now we will add in these sauté ingredients that I've previously chopped up. This is another level of flavor now. It's about layering flavors as you go. Okay, so now it's time to plate up. So you're gonna lay your crocodile tail out like that. And then we're gonna put some of our secret dressing. Bit of lemon or lime, whatever you've got handy, just some kind of citric. Fresh basil, some sesame seeds. It's a texture thing. We've got the oil in there for liquid. Now this is the crunch. And there you have it. That is my version of a Southeast Asian influenced crocodile tail here in Zimbabwe. So after an amazing trip here in Zimbabwe, I've harvested my beautiful crocodile tail, and I've got my friend here in Bex who I'm dying for him to try some. And Bex, please tell me what you think. This is nice?
Amazing. Delicious.
I would say that is pretty damn good. I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but that's pretty good. Well, and Bex, I've had such an amazing trip here in Zimbabwe. You know, the culture's been amazing. The fact that I've been able to come here and, you know, get rid of a problematic animal and help these village people out, it's just been absolutely incredible. So thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure.
I'm Mario Kalpou from Man Eats Wild, and I'm signing out from Zimbabwe.